Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyó, who needs to pee-pee. Let's start drawing. At the beginning, I'm going to draw Pocoyó, drawing his eyes, his little nose, and his mouth like this. And then the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat. I draw his body, his arms. He is holding his arms like this. I think he needs to pee-pee. Now let's draw a toilet next to him. Finally, let's draw Pato. I draw his big eyes like this, his beak, and a hat on his head. Now I draw his neck, his wings, and finally, his two legs. In his beak, he is holding a fantastic toilet paper. Awesome! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to color the skin of Pocoyó with this cream marker. Then light red for his mouth. His outfit is blue, so I'm going to use this blue marker. I leave the toilet and toilet paper white. Yellow. Let's color Pato. He is a yellow duck, so I use this yellow marker for his skin. I use orange for his beak and legs. I color his hat dark green. Finally, I add a little light purple in the background. Brilliant! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.